In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide a sheet in Google Sheets so you can keep your workspace clean and organized. Start by opening your Google Sheet and looking at the tabs along the bottom of the screen. Each tab represents a different sheet in your file. Find the sheet you want to hide, then right-click on its tab. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Hide Sheet. As soon as you do that, the tab will disappear from view. Don't worry, the sheet isn't deleted. It's simply hidden and can be brought back anytime. To unhide the sheet, look for the small menu icon near your sheet tabs. Click it to see a list of hidden sheets. Select the sheet you want to restore and it will instantly reappear alongside your other tabs. This is especially useful when you're working with large spreadsheets and want to hide extra data, calculations, or sections you don't need to see all the time. Just keep in mind that hiding a sheet is not a security feature. Anyone with edit access can still unhide and view it. And that's it. You now know how to hide and unhide sheets in Google Sheets, making your files cleaner and easier to navigate.